This is an old wig, so this video is a tutorial of how I transform this wig to this wig. Welcome to Pixie hair, so watch and learn. So for the first step, we're going to be detaching the ribbon from the old wig cap because we are rebranding and we are doing this wig afresh. So we're going to be using a brand new wig cap and everything. So you detach this ribbon from the old wig cap with your razor blade. You can see that we're finished detaching the back. We're going to detach this headband, yes, because they seal or so, how would I put in this, the headband on top of the ribbon. So we need to detach it first before detaching the remaining parts of the ribbon. Yes, so I'm done detaching the wig band from the wig cap. You can see that it's not that bad. You can actually reuse it again. So I'll continue detaching the ribbon from the wig cap. You have to do it slowly so that you will not cut the hair or the strand of hair, you understand. So I'm almost done. Yes, you can see that this is the last piece of ribbon that we detach from the cap. Yes, if I've watched these videos to this point and you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so the first one to get notified when I post a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up. So you can see that we have finished detaching everything. You can see all the ribbon that came out. I think this is 200 grams. Yes, so I'm going to be ventilating a 2x4 closure with part of the ribbon strand. You can see, so I use diagonal method for this. You get, so you have to be careful when ventilating with this strand of hair because it is a coily strand and it is original human hair, so it is slippery. So we are done ventilating the 2x4 frontal. You can see it. Then after that, we seal the 2x4 frontal to a wig cap. Then we drew the guideline. The guideline, you can see we used 2 inches, then 1 inch at the front, half an inch at this part. That's how we did it. So we started sewing the ribbon to the wig cap following the guideline. This guideline is to help you, sew easily to your wig cap without thinking. If you don't draw this guideline now, you now start thinking when next, where will I place it next. But if you draw this guideline, you don't need to start thinking where to sew your wig cap next or the direction to follow. You just have to follow the line. So, and to sew a ribbon to a wig cap or sew any hair to a wig cap, you need your curved needles. Yes, we have gotten to this top. You can see we are sewing closer. As I was saying, you need a curved needle instead of the straight needle. The curved needle will make sewing easier for you. You can use your straight needle, but it will be stressful. So make sure you have a curved needle and your thread. You have to sew very, very carefully. Follow the line. You can see that I've been following the line. It has been making the work easy for me. So learn how to draw a wig guideline. We have got it to the top. I will know a closure. You have to sew the ribbon like this so that it will cover up the tracks. Yeah, it will cover all the. I have a detailed video of how I sew a ribbon to a wig cap. It's on my channel, but this is not that detailed. I'm just showing how I transformed that old wig to a new wig. So I'm done sewing all the ribbon to the wig cap. I loosened the closure. You can see that the closure is not coily. So we're going to do something to revive the coils. Yes, all the coils. You can see that the coils is not coiling. So I brought out my wash bottle. You can see I mixed water and Hawaiian silky and deep-in conditioner in this wash bottle. Hawaiian silky, deep-in conditioner and water. Then I sprayed it. Then after spraying it all around, I'm going to be patting the hair little by little and be spraying it. After spraying the Hawaiian silky mix on it, I'm going to be brushing it. Yes, to brush coils, you don't use a normal brush. Use this particular brush. It will bring out the coils. Yes, it's not normal brush that you use to brush out coils. You can see that I'm brushing it, the coils are coming out. Use this mixture and use this brush. Trust me, any coil you want to revive is going to revive. So I finished brushing everything. You can see the coils now. The hair is looking shiny and sweet. So this is the hair. It's still wet, so we're going to leave it for it to get dried, and you will come back and see the revived wig. You will see the transformation. Just remember how the wig was before and now presently. You can see that the hair is dried. See the frontal, so nice. I said frontal, sorry, closure, so nice. So please, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me for more. Thank you.